Syed Zafar Islam, for once you can smile. You know, you come on our program looking grim, but today the numbers clearly show that the Modi government has got reason to smile. My question is, can you sustain it, or was this one-day event management?
Thank you, Rajdeep. At least you have acknowledged that you made us feel that on your show we are not comfortable, because you all the time allow others to give time and not us.
No, sir. Now why do you, sir? The problem is I do news. I don't do PR. So I ask questions of those in power. Today I am saying that what you have achieved is a good sign. I'm asking you, can you sustain it?
Of course, of course. When the Honorable Health Minister, when the Honorable Prime Minister have not once, several times, have very clearly stated and articulated that the entire vaccination of adult population of the country will be vaccinated by 31st December 2021. It only suggests that the production, indigenous production, has been ramped up. We know exactly that the production schedule. We have shared with the media, we have shared with the states, we have shared with everyone that what is the production schedule, which are the other companies which are going to produce, which are how much we are importing from different parts of the world.
No, sir, sir, with due regard, you have still not shared with the nation the overall time plan for the next 6 months. How do you actually hope to achieve it on a month-to-month basis? I haven't seen it. Can you tell me where I can find this?
I will share with you everything in the press release. The press release by the Ministry of Health also suggests that, and the Honorable Health Minister has also spoken about it. So let me give you the statistic that we have very clearly said that by July we will complete 50 crore. Means the additional 14.5 crore in July put together, we will be able to achieve 50 crore. And in the month of August, September, it will be 30 crore, 35 to 40 crore in September. Likewise, in December, it will achieve the maximum production till 31st December, I'm talking about,
right,
of around 60 crore. So put together, we will have more than 216 crore. In fact, much more than we will have enough surplus.
Can I just quickly once again ask you, sir, as per our numbers, India will have Covishield 10 crore doses by the 30th of June, which is 9 days away. Covaxin 7.5 crore doses by the middle of July. Sputnik 2.5 crores 31st July. The others are yet to apply for licenses or get it. So I don't see where you're going to be able to get these big numbers that you're talking about.
Well, Rajdeep, I have all the statistics. Maybe during the program, I will open my phone and I can share with you exact status, the schedule, and when it will come to the market, available for vaccination.
So you're saying 50 crores in July alone, am I right?
No, by 50 we will complete the cumulative basis, 50 crore by July.
Okay.
And cumulative basis by 2021 December, we will exceed 216 crore, what is required for the vaccination.
So 216 crores. Very important. You're saying 216 crore doses will have been given by the end of December.
Absolutely.
Okay, good.
I'm making it time and again clear that we will have surplus as well.
Okay.
Let me tell you one thing, Rajdeep.
Yes.
I think those who are trying to politicize this issue, they must understand. They have attempted it, like with Chief Minister of West Bengal, the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi. They have attempted several times. They failed miserably. They could not source it. It is so difficult. It's a scarce commodity in the global market. Yet the Honorable Prime Minister, with his approach and the way he planned everything, it is available.
Sir, I didn't want to. Sir, the truth is that, sir, Mr. Zafar Islam, I must intervene here. The fact is, some of this could have been done 3 or 4 months ago if firm orders were placed. Let's not go down that road. Let's not say that what we have achieved today is great, but many will say this could have been achieved in the month of March itself. If we were not focusing at that time on elections, if we were not focusing on who is to blame, states or center, and we had placed firm orders in December, January itself.
Rajdeep, this is an absolutely absurd statement, because you cannot just go and place this order. You have to do a lot of homework, and that is what being done. All the legwork is done
Right.
by the Honorable Prime Minister himself. He visited all the labs. See, if you wanted to import from the global community or global producers, you couldn't have ever achieved even what we have achieved today. So it was important to produce indigenously, and that's why the Honorable Prime Minister had put in so much effort, planned it so. The way he planned it, it was so evident that everything he was able to address. And today, we are fortunate that we have a Prime Minister who worked tirelessly to achieve this, because we are able to produce indigenously, and it is available in the country, being produced here and being vaccinated.
Sir,
and we will be able to secure every citizen.
I've given you more than enough time. Otherwise, you constantly complain that you don't. You constantly let the others now speak. Let the others speak.
Thank you very much.